What's going on, guys? Today we're about to cook up some crappies. Got Jose back there. What's up, Jose? All right, guys, here comes the catch and cook. Grill's working. Got us our crappie over here. Some seasonings here. Crappie's already cut up, ready to go. Got our skillets, vegetable oil. Just waiting for these charcoals to turn white, and then we'll be on the road.
Entonces echamos sal. Sal.
Got our oil heating up here. We're gonna go ahead and let it heat up for a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and season our crappie a little bit here. Got our friend Jose here doing the deed. He's got the gloves on.
Eso es lo que voy a echar ahorita.
There we go. Fish on the grill. Nice sizzle going. Woo, it's gonna be tasty. Woo.
También crunchy.
It's hot. And there we have it, guys. Some nice fresh crappie. You can still hear the sizzle. Just came off. Woo! It's gonna be good.